Hey guys, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. Finally, ECGC PO mains exam result is out, and now the next phase is going to be the interview. Only 156 candidates, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 156 candidates have been selected for the interview phase. So the next phase is going to be around your profile. That what? Why you want to join ECGC PO? What are the roles and responsibility? What are the schemes launched by ECGC PO for the export promotion in India? And how they support export promotion uh, to increase the export in the upcoming days, and what are the targets India do have in the upcoming days for the export related. Second important thing is the recent scheme which are launched by the government of India. Along with that, what are the announcements which are made by the government in the union budget recently for the export promotion. So mainly you need to have your focus around ECGC, profile of ECGC PO, and export promotion related schemes of government of India for your preparation. We will be covering everything in our batch. The interview batch will be available on the Guidely platform, so you can check the details on the Guidely platform by visiting it. Okay, dedicated interview batch. If you want to connect with me over the Telegram, you can join this Telegram group. You can ping me directly within the Telegram group. I'll be able to resolve all your queries regarding your interview preparation. So all the best. Prepare well, practice well, give the mock interview before going for the real interview. Take care. Jai Hind.